Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is unleashing the dynamic potential of expert mode in Google Ads. Let's start. Google Ads is a powerful platform that allows businesses to reach their target audience through online advertising. While many users are familiar with the standard features of Google Ads, delivering into the intricacies of the platform's expert mode can unlock a new level of control and customization. Understanding expert mode. Expert mode is a Google Ads provides advertisers with advanced tools and settings to fine-tune their campaigns. It offers a granular approach, allowing users to optimize various aspects of their advertising strategy beyond the basic setting available in the standard mode. Enhance keyword targeting. One of the key advantages of expert mode is the enhanced control over keyword targeting. Advertisers can utilize match types, negative keywords, and bid adjustments more precisely. This level of granularity ensures that ads are displayed to users with higher relevance, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Advanced bidding strategies. Expert mode empowers advertisers to implement advanced bidding strategies such as manual bidding. This feature provides the flexibility to set bids and the keywords level, enabling business to allocate budgets strategically based on the performance of specific keywords. Ad customization and extensions. In expert mode, advertisers gain more control over creatives and extensions. This includes the ability to create ad variations for different audience segments and set specific and schedules. Additionally, the use of ad extension becomes more sophisticated, allowing for the inclusion of additional information and links within the ad. Audience targeting precision. Free fine-tuning audience targeting is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of advertising campaigns. Expert mode enables advertisers to leverage audience exclusions, demographics, and detailed targeting options. This level of precision ensures that ads are shown to the most relevant audience, improving overall campaign performance. Ad placement and device targeting. In expert mode, advertisers can take charge of ad placement and device targeting. This means choosing where ads appear, whether on search result, display network, or specific websites. Moreover, advertisers can optimize bids based on the device used by the audience, ensuring a tailored approach for different platforms. Utilizing advanced reports. Expert mode provides access to more detailed and comprehensive reports. Advertisers can analyze performance metrics at a granular level, gaining insights into the effectiveness of keywords and groups and campaigns. This data-driven approach facilitates informed decision making and allows for ongoing optimization. Implementing convergence tracking. For businesses focused on convergent, expert mode allows for advanced convergent tracking. Advertisers can set up and track specific conversion actions such as form submission or product purchases. This data is invaluable for measuring the return on investment and refining advertising strategies for better results. Testing and experimentation. Expert mode encourages a structured approach to testing and experimentation. Advertisers can run A by B tests on various elements such as ad copy, landing pages, and bidding strategies. This iterative process helps identify the most effective tactics and continuously improves campaign performance. Overcoming challenges with expert mode. While expert mode provides a significant advantages, it comes with its complexities. Advertisers need to invest time in understanding the intricacies of the platform, stay updated on industry trends, and continuously monitor and adjust campaigns for optional result. Conclusion. Unveiling the power of expert mode in Google Ads opens up a realm of possibilities for advertisers. The ability to fine tune every aspect of a campaign from keyword targeting to ad creatives empowers businesses to create highly effective and efficient advertising strategies. However, with this power comes the responsibility of ongoing optimization and a commitment to staying informed about the ever evolving landscape of online advertising. By mastering expert mode, advertisers can evaluate their goal ads campaigns to new heights, reaching and engaging their target audience with precision and impact.